Okay, number 1. The table shows the weights of Addie's 3 pets, hamster, cat, and dog. Which shows the value of the 2 in the weight of Addie's cat? Number 2. Look at the addition model shown here. Which number sentence does the model best represent? Number 3. Use a ruler to measure the dimensions of this ticket in centimeters. If you have not already gotten to this question, you need to come in tomorrow, and first thing you need to grab a star chart so you can measure the sides. Number 4. A meteorologist in Florida reported that 3/4 inch of rain fell yesterday. The actual amount was 8/12 inch, which shows a correct comparison of these two fractions. Number 5. Ricardo has 18 purple grapes and 14 green grapes. He will give half of these grapes to his brother. Which equation can be used to find B, the number of grapes he will give to his brother? Number 6. On this diagram below, which line is perpendicular to line B? Number 7. The table below shows the number of points that 10 basketball players scored last season. Which stem and leaf plot represents the information in the table? Next page. The diagram shows that angle A, number 1, the diagram shows that angle A and angle B form a 110-degree angle together. If the measure of angle A is 74 degrees, what is the measure of angle B? Number 2, each row of cylinders represents 1. Which decimal and fraction represent the shaded amount? Number 3, a recipe requires 1/8 cup of whole nuts and 4/8 cup of crushed nuts. Which model represents the total amount of nuts the recipe requires? Number 4, the dot plot shows the number of minutes the members of a jogging club take to jog 1 mile. Each circle represents 2 members. And this says 1 mile jog, number of minutes. How many members of the club take 11 or more minutes to jog 1 mile? Number 5, the table shows the populations of 5 different countries, which lists the countries in order from the greatest population to least population. So we have country and population: Egypt, Turkey, Vietnam, Germany, Ethiopia. And here are your answer choices. A, Vietnam, Vietnam, Egypt, Ethiopia, Germany, Turkey. B, Vietnam, Ethiopia, Germany, Egypt, Turkey. C, Vietnam, Ethiopia, Egypt, Turkey, Germany. Or D, Vietnam, Ethiopia, Egypt, Germany, Turkey. Number 6, Richard's shoe is 16.5 centimeters long. Cedro's shoe is 14.82 centimeters long. What is the difference between the lengths of their shoes? Number 7, Julia will leave a theater at the time shown on this clock. She will arrive at her house 65 minutes later. At what time will she arrive at her house?